Welcome to the Weather Guru podcast for June 18th, 2026, this Thursday edition here. Looking at tornado warnings and severe thunderstorm warnings in the South and the Midwest here, what we're going to be looking at here today. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button on the way in, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, I want to go to the tornado warning in Georgia. This is for Crawford, Taylor, and Upson County. This is radar indicated tornado, but hail is falling, almost an inch of hail, quarter inch hail is falling. This tornadic thunderstorm has moved out of the warned area, so it's been canceled here. The tornado watch is still remained in effect until 11 p.m. for all of central and west central Georgia here. So we have this storm that was over Carsonville, Georgia, 10 miles north of Butler, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. So tornado warning has been canceled. It's now just severe thunderstorm criteria here, moving over Salem into Roberta and coming up into the Macon Fort Valley area here within the next hour and a half here. So heads up if you're on 75 or 475 or even 16 heading out of Macon, these storms will be on your doorstep in the next hour or two here. But heavy rain from the southern suburbs of Atlanta, Henry County, McDonough, Locust Grove, down 75 into just to the west of Macon to Maston, Georgia, and those areas there. Heavy rain, thunderstorm, lightning into Columbus, Georgia as well, and into eastern Alabama there. Now, we have severe thunderstorm warnings in North Carolina. This includes Hope, Moore, Richmond, and Scotland counties for almost 1 inch hail and 60 mile an hour straight winds here as these cells continue to move to the north and east here over Rockingham, North Carolina, just to the west of I-95 and the Fayetteville corridor, and it's 8 exits that go into the Fayetteville area that service the area here. So these storms may come into Lumberton as well. Dillon, South Carolina, good afternoon to you. Showers in Florence as well. These will be pushing up into Lumberton and Fayetteville area as well. And these showers in Columbia, South Carolina, 26 may be a rough ride out of Columbia up into Greenville, Spartanville, up into the Piedmont area. Some showers in Charlotte. Good afternoon to you. Charlotte, Mint Hill, Rock Hill into Kannapolis. Some showers up toward Greensboro, the Triad area, North Carolina as well. Some showers continue to move north and east. These will be marching into Virginia, Southern Virginia here in the next 2 hours here. So be careful if you're heading up 85 through Durham, Raleigh, Durham, and getting up into South Hill and on up into Petersburg here later on into the night. So Kansas also has a severe thunderstorm warning for Crowley and Sumner counties. 1 inch hail, 50 mile an hour wind. So this is not as bad. This is a rural county of Kansas here, about an hour and a half south of Wichita, Kansas, close to Bow Plains here in Udall, Kansas. You can see the purple here, so the hail is definitely coming down, reaching up those high cloud tops, reaching up there in the land. Now we have flash flood warnings for Alabama and Florida. This is in the Panhandle for Escambia, Baldwin, and Santa Rosa counties in Florida here, just to the north and west of Pensacola here. This includes Milton, Florida, Crestview along I-10 there, the Funiac Springs. Be very careful. These showers are heading up, marching up 231 and 431 and I-65 here in Alabama, southern Alabama. So be careful in Mobile, Pritchard, Sterling, Fairhope, Daphne, Alabama on the other side of the river there. Be very careful. These showers here are coming your way too as well. And in the Mississippi, our friends there in Wiggins and Lucedale, Mississippi, just north of Gulfport, there some showers are coming through the Hattiesburg metro area as well. So be on the lookout for those two as well. So we have those flash flood warnings in effect for Mississippi, the Gulf Coast, as the effects of this is from the tropical storm Arthur here, as all the moisture is displaced eastward. These bandings coming out the Gulf of Mexico will continue through the night here, and that's why these flash flood warnings are in effect for Mississippi. George, Greene, Perry, and Stone counties in Mississippi expires in about the next 2 hours. Same for Alabama, Covington, Crenshaw, Escambia, and Kunka counties, and Coffeedale and Geneva counties in Alabama, close to Dozark, Troy, if you're in Troy, Ozark, Enterprise, Dothan coming up 231 there, and Geneva. You want to be careful. These showers are heavy showers here along the Florida border, Alabama, Georgia line here, and they were going to create some flash flood problems there. So that's what we have going on there. A couple of special marine warnings here off the coast of Savannah and the Sea Isles, some Tybee Isles of Georgia, for some storms that could produce waterspouts and 30 knot winds there in the tropical Atlantic and the Caribbean. And off the coast of Palm Coast, Flagler Beach, up 995 Marineland, and Ormond by the Sea, some showers out here producing waterspouts and 34 mile an hour winds, 34 knot winds or greater here. So small craft of caution advisory out to you guys, boaters, interests out there. This is the Weather Guru update for June the 18th, 2026. Thanks for listening. I'll see you on the next episode. Take care.